Good morning and welcome to CupO'Forex. This is your daily video analysis for Friday, October the 10th. Overnight, the U.S. markets took another pounding. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, or DJIA, saw its worst point drop this year, losing over 334 points to finish at 16,659.20. The S&P 500 lost over 2%, and the Nasdaq Composite suffered a 90.26 point sell-off. Valuations have been stretched, but corporate earnings were still okay, and investors shrugged those off. There is worry over the slowdown in Europe, with global unrest in the Middle East. Question is, will the DJIA correct further? We will discuss more in our technical analysis. On the economic calendar today, there are not a lot of high-impact data hitting investors today. Australia saw new home loans contract further by minus 0.9% earlier this morning, and investment lending for personal homes also missed the mark. At 0500 GMT, Japan will release consumer confidence numbers, and later today at 12:30 GMT, the United States will release import prices. We're expecting import numbers to continue falling as the U.S. export-import numbers are improving. More Americans are buying homemade big-ticket items as personal spending picks up. Let's look at some technical analysis. Welcome back for some technical analysis. First off is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. As I mentioned before, it got pounded. We erased all the previous session gains and lost even more. We're now at a 16,659.25. A break below the 16,650 will challenge the 16,500 and then 16,000. Valuations remain stretched. A correction would not be such a bad thing. Next up is the USD and Japanese yen. As you can see, our chief market strategist David Frank wrote that there is also some weakness below the 108. This remains valid today. A daily close below 108, which happened overnight, could actually see us move towards a 107.10, then the technical level at 107. Lastly, I would like to look at the gold. The yellow gold is quite fascinating. We are currently below $1,220 per ounce. We did recover as we thought, but have reversed direction. There is a piercing line forming, which could mean the sellers are coming back. We will be watching the resistance turned support at 1250 very closely. Thanks very much for listening. As always, don't forget to click the subscribe button at the top right hand of the screen to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In addition, please visit our Facebook fan page, facebook.com/CupO'Forex.